This is congee. Congee is like a rice porridge that's Asian. Different countries make it differently, but it is basically a rice porridge, and this one is made in chicken broth. You can make it in bone broth or water. Congee is excellent for your digestive system. It soothes, it balances your digestive system. If you're having diarrheas or any kind of problems, this is great for you. It is very good for older people who don't want to eat, for kids that have diarrheas. It's just all in all very good. It cooks for a long time, which makes it very easy to digest. Very, very nice and soothing and everything for your body. So in this pot, I have 3.5 cups of my super duper concentrated chicken stock, chicken broth. I will put right there the link so that you can see it if you want. However, you can use any chicken broth you want. You can use bone broth. You can use water if you prefer. Okay, so no stressors here. I just want this to be a little extra nutritious today. So I have 1/2 cup of rice here, which I washed thoroughly. I washed it until the water came out clean. No more cloudiness, okay? The type of rice you use doesn't really matter. This soup is made differently in a lot of Asian countries, even in China. According to the region, some regions don't have rice. They use barley, for example. I sliced ginger very thinly, and I'm putting all of this in here. Quantity doesn't matter, but that's what I'm putting in mine. We're going to bring this to a boil. Then we're going to cover it, and we're going to let it simmer for about an hour. We need this to have the consistency of porridge, okay? I will stir this occasionally, okay? This is getting there, guys. It's almost there. I'm gonna let a little more of that liquid get consumed, and we'll serve it. So you can eat it just like this, or I'm gonna add a little bit of scallion green and a splash of soy sauce. This will thicken as it cools down, and you're gonna have to add more stock or water, whatever you're using, if you're gonna keep it, okay? Oh, it is beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great for the winter time. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.